So this is our motorhome. It's a Laika Kosmo 509, based on the Fiat Ducato 2.2 140 brake horsepower chassis. So let's have a look around. I'll tell you about some of the things that we've got extra. We purchased it in July 2022, brand new. Cavitation doors on the right hand side. Here you can see the cassette toilet, and we used sole bio, just our choice. One of the optional extras that we got was the awning. We've got a gas point for a gas barbecue, usually an electric point. Another option that we went for was the gas low. Twin tanks, so they can just fill up with gas when we venture abroad. We also keep our hose pipes in there for filling with water. The main selling point for us and what we're looking for was the garage. As you can see, we've got the 2 e-bikes in there. There's a little cubby hole up there, power, light, a couple of boxes, one contains the spare cassette toilet, the other one is odds and sods, Kadak, silver screen, carpets. There's another little cubby hole just full of odds and sods and levelers. We don't tend to use them that much. On the other side it is heated as well, so in the winter when we have wet clothes, just put them up in there to dry. That's where we've got our chairs, table, front for the bike and inflatable kayak. Coming down this side, water filling point, and also it's diesel and AdBlue. So that's the outside of the motorhome. What I've done is I've used Infinity Wax's 2-year ceramic coating, Synergy 2, just to see how that gets on, to make it easier to clean, etc. Let's go inside. One of the other things we got fitted after we took delivery of the motorhome is a 3000 watt inverter. It allows us just to do a bit more off-grid living, because we've got a solar panel that was extra and also on the roof, and we also got an extra leisure battery. The seat covers, well, they're not really our thing, but they're protecting the seats themselves. Other things we have a 360 GoPro at the front, next space dash cam, very comfortable. The seating area, as you can see, you can seat a number of friends if you've got them. We haven't, so it doesn't matter. The table just folds out, and the table itself can be height adjusted up or down, and it will also slide backwards and forwards. Also under the table there's a little storage area hidden out the way. Under the big bench seat is the water tank itself. Got the control panel, which is easy to understand even for the likes of me. A little cubby hole just for hiding odds and sods in. This is the fridge, refreshments. The freezer itself isn't huge, but then again at the moment it's just the two of us, really it suffices. Storage down the bottom, large storage area under the sink, half chopping board type thing in the sink, the cooker, little drawer for your cutlery, etc., and then one down the bottom, and more storage at the top. There's storage everywhere. Jack is trying to find things to put in places you don't really need. It has a drop down bed as well, which is electrically operated. Under the clip, down it goes. Myself and Jackie have slept on here before when Fred and Iona first come with us, but they're not interested in the motorhome life anymore, which is great news to us. It's very light, all the roof lights, etc. come with screens and flat screens. Same with all the windows. The shower itself, although it doesn't appear to be big, is, even me as a chunky boy can manage it alright. Also more underfloor storage. A lovely mat from a friend of ours, Lorraine, thank you Lorraine. Round into the toilet, sit toilet type thing. Again, more storage. These lightweight, easy drying towels that we simply use, as we decided. The beds themselves are quite high off the ground. 2 single beds, but you can pull this out to make a huge bed. Under here, you've got like a wardrobe, which is quite deep and good. There's lots of stuff in there. And then under here, again a deep wardrobe. Down there, there's the pump. Again, lots of storage. We tend to keep our clothes in them packing cases. And yes, that is a bottle of vodka. I don't have midnight snacks outside of night. Nip, don't tell the wife. The lights, I like little LED lights, and they've also got USB connectors, so you can charge your phone. And another thing that we got done was we had a Wi-Fi router fitted, so that's our motorhome. We love it, and yeah, we're heading off to France tomorrow. Wish us luck. Bon voyage.